Guess who's back, Sydney? Okay, a couple of years ago, this film came out and very special to all of us. So if you know this, sing with me. It goes like,